It is the 29th of May 2024. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Go ahead, Lauren.
I saw Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I don't think I did anything new. I was working pretty intensively the week before, but I've been catching up on other things. So coming week, basically solve the order of solve that it gets on the Wi-Fi. I did determine that it's not the SSH that's not turning on. It's the connection with the network. So that should get me. That should solve it before very long. I want to solve that and finish the build and take it as far as I can, and kind of share it. I actually have. I got my gimbal and tripod. I have a little tiny tripod, and it's been working pretty well for other things around the place. So I'm going to film the finishing the build and whatever I run into, and kind of get it presentable, and maybe look at Trello a bit, and maybe look at Mob AI, just in terms of where things are at with Agile and the impact of that Mob AI stuff and what's going on with the Musk companies. So that's 3 things I'll do this week. In summary, anyway, and blocks are a lot going on. I may be kicked out of my plot in the garden because I haven't done any. There's a bunch of weeds on it. So I have been getting seeds. I went across there's a guy who specializes in heirloom seeds here. So I went across the island and got some seeds from his roadside stand. So just summer and planting. And back to you.
Understood about that kind of stuff. It's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. The only thing I got done last week was posting stand-up. This coming week, I am hoping to keep up to you on the Sun Founder when you get your connecting to the network thing figured out. I have a couple items on the Polaris that I'd like to get done, and a couple things on the pump runtime monitor, just writing up a README and posting it. And blocks, yard work and garden work. So we're about half done on the garden. We've still got to do the peas and carrots and beets maybe. But the big thing is we've got to do the trellis thing for the peas to crawl up, because we didn't do that very well last year, and we did a lot of damage harvesting the first few peas, and we didn't get a whole lot after that because we did so much damage. So we're going to do it better this year. And I guess that's about it. Back to you. You are muted.
I'll give myself a 5 and a 7 for the team, and process improvement is think about stuff we've already done and how it can be presented in an interesting way. So I don't think we need to do a lot more. I think we need to present it in a way too, and be prepared for people coming on board. But I think there's things, for example, my issue with the network, that there's probably people who could do that in 2 minutes. So
okay,
that's it.
I got 1 out of 4 done. 1 for stand up. I'm going to give myself a 3. Team, I'll agree with you on 7. Process improvement, I guess the mailing list, the website is up and running again. And somebody managed to send a message through the website that I can't figure out how they did it. It's coming from page number 4, which is the one where it says, do you want to be, do you want to sign up for the Gmail or the Google group, and do you want to be part of the Trello? And none of that got into the email somehow. It looks like it came from the contact form, but at the bottom it says that it came from the page that's supposed to have the other format. Anyway, I can't figure out how he did it. Um, so I don't know whether he wants to be part of the Google group or not. It's actually kind of frustrating. Um, so I guess I gotta work on that a little bit as well this week, because we really do need people to be able to sign up. And we need to talk, I guess, a little bit about what we're going to do with Trello, how many weeks we're going to give somebody to try and participate before we sort of kick them out for the next ones. If you want to describe it that way.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, I mean, have we looked up what it costs?
I don't believe I looked up what it costs.
Yeah, I think that we should do that because, like, there was a whole lot of debate on another group I'm in about Mega, using Mega, for
Okay.
storage. It's like Google Drive, but more secure because it was founded by the top pirate who's in jail. So it's very good on security. So anyway, uh, and there was a whole lot of debate, and then it turned out it was $5 a month for all the storage we need, and
Wow.
so it I don't know what it is. I think it could be 400 gig or something like that. I think that's what it is. So uh, anyway, yeah. So I mean, before you know making agonizing decisions, find out what it costs, and
Mm,
maybe may not be an issue. And there should be some money. There is a little money in the account. We just have to ask for it.
okay.
So
So Mega is like um,
Google Drive.
uh, so it's not like Dropbox. It's like Google Drive.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do crosstalk offline, and I'll tell you what.
Okay. So we're done. Time
Okay.
to close you
So
down, or no?
yeah, have you heard of? Yes, yes.
Okay. I'll hit the button.